Have you ever noticed this? Your parents' old fridge ran for 20 or even 30 years, but a brand new washing machine struggles to survive 5 or 6. Same house, same usage, yet totally different lifespan. So what really changed? Are modern appliances badly made, or is there something manufacturers aren't telling us? Today, we're exposing the real reasons why new appliances fail faster than old ones, and what you can do to make yours last longer in 2026 and beyond. 1. The biggest myth. Let's clear one thing first. New appliances are low quality. That's not entirely true. Modern appliances are more energy efficient, quieter, packed with smart features. But here's the problem. They're also far more complex. And complexity is the number one enemy of reliability. 2. Too many electronics. Old appliances were simple. Mechanical timers, basic motors, thick wiring, almost no circuit boards. Today, multiple control boards, sensors everywhere, touch panels, Wi-Fi modules, AI load detection. Each electronic component is sensitive to heat, sensitive to moisture, sensitive to power fluctuations. One tiny failure, an entire machine stops, not because the motor is bad, but because a 10-euro chip failed. 3. Planned lifespan. Manufacturers rarely admit this, but modern appliances are designed for a specific lifespan, not 30 years, more like 7 to 10 years. Why? Because replacement cycles increase sales. Extended warranties make money. Repairs are priced close to replacement cost. Old machines were built to last. New machines are built to be replaced. Not illegal, just modern business. 4. Lighter materials equals shorter life. Pick up an old washing machine drum. Heavy steel, thick bearings, solid suspension. Now compare it to a modern one. Thinner metal, plastic components, smaller bearings, lighter frames. This reduces manufacturing cost, shipping weight, energy consumption, but it also reduces durability, vibration tolerance, long-term strength, especially during high-spin cycles. Part 5. Energy efficiency side effects. Energy-saving appliances sound great, but efficiency comes with trade-offs. Examples. Lower water usage equals detergent residue buildup. Shorter cycles equals incomplete cleaning. Cooler temperatures equals mold and odor problems. Over time, valves clog, pumps strain, sensors misread data. Efficiency saves energy, but it demands better maintenance. 6. Smart tech is not equal to smarter life. Smart appliances promise convenience, but software bugs exist. Updates fail. Apps stop being supported. Wi-Fi modules overheat. When software fails, the hardware becomes useless. An old fridge didn't need updates. It just worked. 7. User habits have changed. This part is uncomfortable, but important. Modern users overload washing machines, use incorrect detergent, skip maintenance, ignore warning signs, rely fully on auto modes. Old appliances survived abuse. New ones don't. They need correct loading, proper cleaning, occasional inspection. 8. How to make new appliances last longer. Here's the good news. You can extend the life of modern appliances. Use correct detergent quantity. Clean filters monthly. Avoid eco mode for every wash. Don't overload machines. Allow ventilation around appliances. Fix small issues early. Treat them like machines, not magic boxes. So no, new appliances aren't garbage. They're just different, more advanced, more efficient, but less forgiving. If you understand how they work, they'll serve you well. If you ignore them, they'll fail early. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for real repair knowledge, not marketing myths. See you in the next one.